In just a minute, you're going to see students file in to this classroom at Mission High here in San Francisco Unified. And they're going to be taking part in a very dynamic social studies program called Geography Live: Regions and People. What you'll see is not typically what you're going to see in a normal social studies class. I'm not going to be sitting up in the front lecturing while students are sitting in their desks passively, perhaps taking notes. Today they're going to be working in pairs. They're going to be going to mapping labs where they're going to be looking at 5 different thematic maps and really diving into them for some high-level geographic information. They're going to be analyzing images, geographic images that I put up front. They're going to be reading and connecting their reading also to these images. So you're going to see a lot of action in this classroom, and as you watch, I want you to think, how might this work in your classroom? We are going to go to one of these locations, either A, B, or C. And I have a photograph. So you're going to be geographers. Because the most important tool that a geographer has is what? His eyes.
What sets Geography Alive apart is that it asks students to use real geographers' skills and strategies to look at contemporary geographic issues. Case studies lead students to explore the physical and human geography of 7 world regions, giving students a greater understanding of the world. Geography Alive is a welcome relief from the mind-numbing encyclopedic tour of world regions, still prevalent in many world geography classes.
How many got it right? Ah, my little geographers. Incredible. Give yourselves a hand. Good job.
Students work in pairs and learn through doing tasks that facilitate a shared excitement for the lesson. Placing students in pairs of mixed abilities is part of the TCI approach and has been shown to have increased interaction and learning gains. Students learn progressively, understanding increasingly difficult concepts through the process of step-by-step discovery, which often leads to an aha moment.
It comes down here and then it comes, oh wow, and then it comes down here and up. See?
Where I see learning occurring in my classroom is when the students are interacting with each other, with their environment, with materials, the books, PowerPoints. That's when I see learning going on. When I don't see learning going on is when they're just looking at a book and listening to a lecture.
When we are learning, he does like activities so that we can learn more, and like it's fun. It's not boring like other classes that I have been in.
Yeah, he makes the class more fun.
The best way to discover the power of Geography Alive is to try it for yourself. We'll supply you with a sample chapter so you can compare Geography Alive to your current curriculum. Your students will appreciate the insightful and stimulating classroom experience. For your sample chapter, visit www.teachtci.com now or call us at 1-800-497-6138 extension 0.